All right. It's Monday, March 7th, and it's midnight, and I'm about to leave Iowa to San Diego. 26-hour drive, about 1,250 miles or more. And there was just a tornado that knocked out our power. I had to pack in complete darkness with no power and cold, freezing cold. It is now blizzarding, and I'm going to leave in a blizzard. The last time I left Iowa a year ago to go live in my RV, like I'm doing right now, it also blizzard. There was also a blizzard. So this is crazy. But I'm about to go on a huge adventure to San Diego and Vegas and all over the desert. Started it up. Here we go. Wipe the window clean. Let's do this. Adventure time. Oh, to the desert. Here we go.